Half the internet calls everything an AI agent. Your auto-occutate? Agent. A chatbot with a nice interface? Agent. Today we end the confusion with a ladder. Last sheet you learned the loop. The ladder is simpler. How much of the loop runs without you? Four rungs: Chatbot, Copilot, Agent, Fleet. Every AI tool you've ever used sits on one of them. The higher the rung, the less the loop needs you. Let's climb. Rung 1, the chatbot. You ask, it answers, it stops. Brilliant memory, zero initiative. The loop runs exactly once, and you are the loop. No goal of its own, no tools, no memory of Tuesday. That's not an insult, it's the design. Rung 2, the copilot. It works while you work, suggesting, drafting, completing, but every action still flows through your hand. A copilot makes you faster. It never makes you optional. You observe. It plans a little. You act. Rung 3, the agent. Goal, loop, tools, memory. The full machine from sheet 1. You brief it, leave, and come back to result. The test is simple. Close your laptop. If the work stops, it wasn't an agent. Close the lid. Does the work continue? That one question sorts 90% of the marketing. Rung 4, the fleet. Agents managing agents. One plans, others execute. A supervisor checks the work. Whole jobs, not tasks, get delegated here. You'll meet fleets soon enough. First, master Rung 3. Now, the fun part. Let's sort the tools you actually use onto the ladder. No names on the drawings. You know who they are. The chat apps you talk to every day? Rung 1. Chatbots, even the famous ones, out of the box. The assistants finishing your sentences and drafting your code? Rung 2. Copilots. Powerful, but you're still driving. The new agent modes that browse, build, and book while you watch? Genuine Rung 3, with training wheels. And the training wheels are healthy. Here's why the rungs matter. Each step up trades control for leverage and demands more trust. A chatbot can embarrass you. A copilot can slow you down. An agent can spend your money. Autonomy raises the stakes. That's why the guardrails from last sheet exist, and why the ladder is climbed one rung at a time, not jumped. Practical move. Pick one tool you use daily and move it up exactly one rung. Chat user? Try a copilot. Copilot user? Brief your first real agent. You'll feel the difference in a week. Less typing, more delegating, and a new skill, writing briefs a machine can run with. Chatbot answers. Copilot assists. Agent works, fleet scales. That's the whole taxonomy. One warning for the road: the higher the rung, the more spectacular the failures, which is exactly what the next sheet is about. Next, what agents genuinely can and can't do. The honest capability map, nobody selling you one, will show you. This is iBrains. The machines are learning to work. Learn how they think.